Hello friends, hope you are fine. So today we are going to draw a little cute cotton candy. If you are new to my channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification to be alerted of new crafty fun videos and drawing. My favorite. I got my marker. I hope you are gonna follow along with me and you got some paper to draw on. This video is gonna be really simple and lot of fun. So first we are going to draw big giant clouds because cotton candy is like really fluffy and it's look like a cloud. Alright, so we are going to draw really big bumpy lines and we are going to go all the way around our paper. So why this, we are going to start here and some of bumps are going to be big and some of them will be little. So this is our cloud. This is best cloud I have ever seen. Now usually down at the bottom there is a cone, right? When you buy it from Carnival, they use a cone and then they go around and they get all the cotton candy on top. So let's draw a big letter V down here at the bottom. Now I'm going to draw a funny face my way and you guys can draw a funny face on your way. I'm going to draw two circle of the eyes. Now inside of my circle I'm going to draw a little circle like we usually do, and this is the light reflecting in the eyes. So many cotton candy look really friendly. Now I'm going to color in my eyes. I'm going to color in the big circle and then I'm going to leave the little circle white. Now for the mouth I'm going to do the mouth open. So I'm going to draw a big smile for the bottom of the mouth and then I'm going to draw the top of the mouth like this, and then I'm going to draw teeth, so another line underneath, and then we are going to draw the tongue inside, and actually I'm going to color in the middle part too. Our cotton candy look awesome. Forgot to draw the lines on the cone. I'm going to draw the little lines that are curved that go diagonal around the bottom of our cone. I will fill the color now. I am going to fast forward this part, but I think you guys compose it to match the same color, but you guys should really just use your own creativity and color your cotton candy and color you want, whatever you want. So let's see the color. So this is how we can draw the cute little cotton candy. I hope you guys enjoyed the drawing of little cute cotton candy. For more crafty fun videos and drawings, be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification to be alerted of new crafty fun videos and drawing when they come out. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.